Hey guys and gals, Jeremy IPTTM here, and as you can see I have a rookie card explosion box from Fillington, volume 10. This is my first go around with the rookie card explosion. I had been a subscriber to the Loot Locker for some time, but he just recently finished up doing those. The Loot Locker came to an end, so with the expansion of the rookie card explosion box and also the ending of the Loot Locker, it just seemed like a perfect fit. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up now. Alright, here's the lineup. If you are not aware: 82 Donruss, 86 OPG, 93 Topps, 2010 Topps Update, 15 Update, 16 Bowman, 16 Chrome, 18 Chrome Retail, 18 High Number, 18 Update, 19 High Number, and 19 Series 2. And we will start from the oldest and work our way forward. Start with the 82 Donruss. This is a product I have very hardly opened. Not much of that. Fernando Valenzuela, Del Unser, Johnny Lee Master, Julio Gonzalez, Moose Haas, Tippy Martinez, John Matlock, Larry Parrish. This pack's pretty off-centered. Ken Reitz, Johnny Ray, Gardy, the Penguin, Willie Randolph, Enos Cabell, and Steve Mira. Next up is the 86 OPG. And Alan Davis, Gary Reddish, Ozzie Smith. There's a Hall of Famer. That one's pretty well centered. Patented rough edges of OPG. There's the Nolan Ryan. It's got some wrinkling on top there. Walt Terrell, Mattingly. Not a bad pack at all. And then Jim Presley and the Gummit. Pretty sticky still. Alright, let's go next. 93 Topps. If you watched one of my earlier videos, you know that I have a factory set of this that I picked up off of Craigslist, but I have not opened any packs of this in 20 plus years. Junior Felix, Dwayne Henry, Randy Myers, Scott Scudder, Cal Daniels, Gino Petralli Gold, Gino Petralli Base, Dave Righetti, Hall of Famer Jack Morris, Chris James, Mike Moore, Jeff Fry, Jeff Robelo, Jose Uribe, and Mark Clark. So no Jeter. Actually, I don't know if there's any rookies in there. Let's go with the 2010 update. Andrew Cashner, rookie. Gabe Kapler, who just got canned with the Phillies. Granderson, Omar Vizquel, Brennan Bosch, rookie debut. Livan Hernandez, out there looking like a right-handed CC Sabathia. Don Brown, this was a really hot card back then. Last I heard, he was playing for Nuevo Laredo in the Mexican League last year. Dallas Braden, peak performance. The million card giveaway, and Victor Martinez, Topps Attack. 15 update. Lance McCullers Jr. working his way back from Tommy John. Said he pitched through a torn UCL since the 17 season. So he went all the way through 17, World Series run, and last year with a torn UCL. Gene Machi, Miguel Castro, Chichi, Alex Gonzalez, Gold, Chipper Jones, Nelson Cruz, All-Star, Ray Navarro, Dusty Coleman, Eddie Butler, and Josh Hamilton. Next up, we go with the 16 Bowman. I'd love to get some Bregman out of here, because this is one year that I kind of took off from buying boxes of this stuff. Kluber, Billy Butler, Matt Reynolds, Trey Mancini, first Bowman Chrome. That's actually not a bad one there. He's been pretty good. Chad Pinder, Tyler J. We got some color. I'm not even going to try that name. Oh, nice. Victor Robles, homered last night. Blue, parallel, over to 150. Very nice. Kobe Allard and a Trey Turner rookie. So we can go with the 16 Chrome. Jose Fernandez, Rusney Castillo, Zach Britton, Prism Foil or Prism Refractor, and a DJ LeMahieu. Next up, the Chrome. This is retail. 18 Chrome. This is not the update. Didi Gregorius, Roddy Reed. That's a refractor. John Gray and Gregory Polanco. So none of the big guys in that one. Next up, we'll go high number. Tyler Skaggs. So there's two dead pitchers so far out of this break. Roberto Hernandez. This is out of a hot box, it looks like. Brandon McCarthy. Chelsea Cuthbert. Oh, nice. Glaber Chrome. This is not a refractor. It looks like it's got a pretty bad print error on it. But that's one of the ones you want, especially the playoffs he's been having. As we're 10 minutes or so away from Game 3 as I open these. Andrew Cashner, Tyler Austin, and Matt Moore. I want to check with Topps, see if they can replace that one. There's a Glaber. All-Star rookie. I don't know if those should be designated rookie cards or not. Reynaldo Lopez, Aldroyce Chapman, Mr. 3000, Bregman Gold, All-Star, Frankie Lindor, International Fair, Franmil Reyes, one of my favorite guys in baseball, and I'll have to tell y'all why some other time. It's a long story with memorabilia and my son and photos and just good times. Next up is the Heritage Minor League. Me and my buddies busted 2 cases of this and we got absolutely murdered. Casey Golden, Nolan Gorman, Daz Cameron, Ryan Mountcastle, Andres Jimenez, Albert Abreu, Keegan Thompson, and Ali Sanchez. So none of the big names out of that one. Gorman's a fairly decent one, but I don't know if his base cards are going to be really sought after. 2019 Series 2, Patrick Wisdom, Malik Smith, Pablo Reyes, Waino, Chris Davis, Texas Rangers Ballpark, Dirty Garbage, Rougned Odor, Lou Brock short print. That's a pretty cool photo. I don't know if that's posed or if that's actually in a game he's making that play next to that sign. Probably posed. Hunter Dozier, Melanson, Willie Peralta, Adam Simber, Belly, and Max Stassi. So recap, good stuff out of here. In the Lou Brock short print, Alex Bregman, Gold All-Star, Torres, All-Star, Torres, Chrome, Trey Turner, Blue Refractor, Victor Robles, Trey Mancini, first Bowman Chrome, Lance McCullers, rookie, Mattingly, Nolan Ryan, Ozzie Smith out of OPG. Alright guys, there it is, Rookie Explosion box. Happy with it. I liked what I got, good variety. And hit up Filmington if you want to find one, or get one rather, not find one. That's where you go to find them. Alright, later.